All right, so number two. Again, start with that cone, connect it at the bottom, draw that straight line down, and then let's do it that way. This right here is going to be 6 meters. This right here is going to be 6 meters. So again, we start with V equals 1/3 times the base times the height, where when we talk about base, we're talking about the area of the base. So it is pi r squared times h. So we have 1/3 times 3.14. We think about, is that radius given? Is that radius given? It is indeedy, so this is going to be times 6 squared, and then times 6 again. Again, here is where people get confused, right? When you multiply fractions, the top number would be times all of this, and then this would be the bottom number, which would be times nothing, or 1. So we would have 1 times 3.14, which is just 3.14, times 6, and that's squared, so it's times itself again, and then times 6 one last time. Divide it by 3, and this one you don't even have to round, which is nice. 226.08, and this is going to be meters cubed. That's going to be meters cubed. All right, great job on that. Let's do another one. This one's going to get a little bit harder. Turn my page. I'm running out of pages. All right. So number 3 is going to be that triangle, connect it, go straight down. We're going to label that as 10 meters. And this time I want you to go all the way across and label that 10 meters as well. We are going to do volume is 1/3 times the base times the height. 1/3 times the base times the height, which is 1/3 times pi r squared times h. Oopsies, pi is 3.14. And then you think about, is that the radius? Is the radius given? It is not, so you have to take your diameter and divide it by 2. So we're going to take 10 and divide it by 2. So r equals 5. So times 5 squared and times your height of 10. Again, if you plug that in, 1 times 3.14 times 5 times 5 times 10. Divide that whole thing by 3, and you get 261.6 repeating, or if you round it to the nearest hundredth, it would be 0.67, and this would be meters cubed. All right, I want you to do the last one. This is going to be 6 meters. Going down the line is going to be 10 meters. Pause video, get that done. Welcome back. So we should have gotten times 3.14 times 6 divided by 2, which equals 3 squared, times 10, which would have given us 94.2. Great job, y'all. Great job.